Hey guys, welcome to Shiva Sai Software Training Institute. Alright, in this particular video, we'll be looking into developing the code, Python code using the automation tools, AI automation tools, right? See, the thing is, nowadays, right, AI is not a future, it's current, right? So we should be focusing on how best we can use the AI tools here, okay? So that's the idea here. So in this particular video, we'll see how we develop a Python code, maybe for a banking application to deposit, withdraw, and check the balance. All right, a basic banking functionality application. So, but that code will be actually developed by using the AI tools like Copilot. All right, so let's do that. So create a new file, name it with the PY extension. So go here, write a class for this. Okay, let's develop a class for maybe banking. See, I got the complete code here, right? See, actually on the Visual Studio, interface. So we have something like here. This is our Copilot agency. This is one. So you can ask anything. Hi. So it will be replying with the required code. Yeah. So how can I assist with your banking.py file or any other programming task today? You got it right. If you type here, it will answer you, but we can get the answers redirectly. So if you just give space, so colon space, see, it has highlighted a lot of operations here which is required for us. Let's do that. So for example, go with this, don't give anything, just give enter. So give escape, not use the code given by AI tool like Copilot, or just give escape, that's fine. So let's write the code, see how this helps us. So let's actually define an init method for, see, we got it. So just give space hyphen, maybe init, it's not hyphen, right? It's underscore init underscore. Here I just want to highlight, see, self and some initial balance. See, I got it. So maybe self comma, right, comma, maybe total balance that is equal to something t balance, right? See, it got auto completed. So just give tab to auto complete the code with the help of AI tool. So now let's go for actually writing the code for deposit function. So give def deposit. So it will be highlighting the self keyword which is required so that the instance of the class, like the object, can access this particular function. Okay. So here we need to highlight with self keyword, and see, it highlighted some sort of logic. So just give tab here, you will get the complete code. Okay, so given by IA. So just remove all this. Okay, so let's try to write our logic. So we'll give something like self dot t balance. This is the formula, right, for balance. So what is this? Self dot t balance equal to self dot t balance plus amount. Meaning of that is we'll be saving the total balance is, consider it as 1000, and so 1000 plus the amount given by, this is the parameter, right, which deposit function as accepts. All right, so the amount given by the user will be actually equalized to amount parameter, and then this will be utilized here. So total balance plus amount, meaning of 1000, consider this is 1000, so total balance will be then equated, correct? So the formula here is, what is that? Self dot t balance equal to self dot t balance plus amount. So that's the same, but we have highlighted as such. Okay, we are done there. Just go with simple print statement to print the data. See, it has highlighted again, so which is gray, kind of, it is in dim, right? So just give the tab to auto complete it. Tab, we're done. So that's the power of AI. So to boost our productivity, let's go to the next one. So give def withdraw, it is highlighting again, just give tab. Then we need to check, for example, the withdraw amount given by the user is greater than the balance, so it should tell insufficient funds. If not, it should perform the operation like withdrawing the amount from the current balance. So go with some if statement, go with some if amount greater than. So we got the complete code, right? Okay, so one second. Okay, there is a typo here, so give this. So t balance, you can use t balance itself if you want, or okay, if here it is balance, so here should it is balance again, and this is balance, all good. Okay, so now def withdraw self amount if amount greater than self dot, it should not be underscore, not required, self dot balance, so it will be highlighting print insufficient funds. If not, let's remove this. Else is there, give one tab, and then give all good. See, RFA, good. Now the final one is, see, we got it already, so click on tab, then just go with the print statement for now to simplify. See, we have the code already, just give tab, the current balance is self.balance, so all good. So now what we'll do is we'll just give, let's use an object creation, so give just something like bank equal to, see, it is highlighting the class name, so we're done there. And now click on enter. So now what we'll do is basically we'll actually write a loop, right? Give a while loop, so give while true. See, we got a complete code here. Yeah, so let just click on tab, and it will be yeah, it will be basically highlighting all the entire system. See, you got there, right? See, this is the power of AI, right? So see, the thing is, we should get to know how to increase the productivity using all this AI tools. It have given all the logic here. Yeah, trust me. So if you're not using AI tools and you're utilizing the power of AI when you are implementing a code, so you're gone there. So a lot of time will be wasted unnecessarily, right? So see here, it is printing something like this. So if you want to deposit, withdraw, check balance, for example, let's give a beautiful statement, welcome to banking system. See, I clicked on tab, all good. So choice, it is asking, input, enter your choice. So maybe we can highlight, so just highlight 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Do you have 4? Yeah, we have 4. Good. Something like this, right? Then if the choice is 1, it will be actually asking for the amount from the user. Maybe we can keep int or float, anything as such. And it will be, if the user choice is deposit, we should be entering 1, right? And we should be passing, the user should be passing amount, he enters the amount, and then we should be ensuring that deposit happens. So that is where the AI have given, this is the object for the class bank dot, we should be accessing deposit within the banking class, right? So bank is object, banking is a class. So bank object is created for banking class, right? So via this object, we can utilize deposit function. So here, that is where, so bank the deposit of amount. So amount we are taking from the user. Well, great here. Then else if the choice is 2, it will be performing withdraw. If the choice is 3, it will be performing the get balance. If the choice is 4, it will be exiting the banking system. Why break? Because if it is 4, it will be printing this statement and will come out of the loop. All right, so if the options are not 1 2 3 4, it will be actually printing something like invalid choice. Please try again. Let's try this.